I'm Hope Dollarhide. I am with First Choice Robotics. I'm a sales engineer, and what I've got behind me is the FANUC CRX robot. This is actually a power and force limiting robot, which a lot of the OEMs refer to as cobots. So in each of these joints, there actually is a servo motor and then also a force sensor as well. So if I were to put my hand on the robot as it's moving, it would actually feel that force, and it would actually go ahead and stop its motion. So if I went like this, it'll give it a stop. And what's really great is, so this is the tablet for the robot, and it's really easy. All the programs, it's all icon based. Run, pause, stop, really intuitive. So the goal of this robot is that it's good for programmers who may not have a extensive amount of programming knowledge, and you can deploy programs really quickly. This here is the First Choice Robotics CRX cart or pallet. So we've got the tablet stand here, we've got an HMI here, room for all of your paint, powder, coating equipment here. And then we've got whatever applicator you wish. And then we've got our teach handle there at the end of the robot. So to do any of the lead through teach, to create programs really quickly. Really great features about the CRX is that because of the power and force limiting features, with a risk assessment, you can have a really open shared workspace with any manual operators or people who may not just need to be in the booth interacting around the robot. Like I said, deploying programs really quickly, the ease of use on the tablet, those are really big advantages of the Cobot. And then there's also industrial robots as well. So Dove has some in their booth here at their facility. Those robots are able to really help you with increasing your cycle time. They have a lot of a higher end fluid delivery system. So you would probably be able to save a lot of material, a lot of paint, powder, things like that. And then also, syncing that with a conveyor line, really a higher industrial setting. And those robots do take a little bit longer to program, and that's kind of where the CRX here has the advantage of deploying programs really quickly. But that's just a basic overview of the robotics. And like I said, I'm with First Choice, and we're a system integrator. We work with Dove to do a lot of the robotics in the finishing world, and here to solve any of your automation solutions.